Hello and welcome back to Mahi English classes. I hope you are safe at home. Now today we are going to see class 9th lesson The Snake and the Mirror by Wacom Muhammad Bashir. Now first I will tell you the theme of the story, then the summary, then significant stages and characters. The theme of the story is about a vanity of human beings. It also makes the humorous observation that animals too are susceptible to self-love and vanity. Means here, as human beings want love and care, in the same way, in this lesson, the writer says that even animals need self-love and vanity. In the story, the doctor finds his reflection in the mirror very attractive. When we see in the mirror, our own image is reflected on it. So in the same way, when doctor finds himself in front of the mirror, he's found that he is very attractive. He is so enamored that he realizes belatedly that a snake has crawled up his chair and landed on him. Means he saw that the snake has came on the chair and it came on him. Ironically, when the snake spots the mirror, it too is taken in by its reflection. Means as the snake was visible in front of the mirror, it was also that the snake was also seeing its reflection in on the mirror. It leaves the doctor and moves toward it. Means first the snake was on the chair, then it came on the writer, then it moves towards the mirror, possibly to get a better look at itself. Free of the snake, the doctor jumps to his feet and runs away. Now here, as soon as the snake was away from the writer, he immediately, out of fear, he ran away from that spot. Now we will see the summary. The narrator shares a story told by a homeopathic doctor. The doctor says that when he reached home one night, he heard the sound of rats from the ceiling when he opened the door. Means when the doctor came home after his work, he saw that rat's noise in his room one night, and as soon as he opened the door, he took off his black coat, white shirt and not so white waist and hung them up. Like हम लोग कपड़े उतारते हैं तो कीले पे टांग देते हैं पसीना सूखने के लिए या कुछ भी, तो in the same way the doctor has took off his few clothes and he hanged it on the door. He tried to sleep but he could not, as there was no breeze. Means the doctor was not able to sleep because it was not cold, or it was not that much cold that he is comfortable in sleeping. He was feeling warm. So he went back into the room and sat down on a chair to read a book. While sitting there, he saw his image in the mirror that was on the table. Means the mirror was kept on the table, and while reading his book, he saw his own image on the mirror. He admired himself that he is observed how he looked. Now when we see in the mirror, when the doctor saw his reflection in the mirror, he was watching at his face. His own image was there. In the same way, the snake also found himself in front of the mirror, and here the snake crawled towards the mirror. The doctor decided that he would shave daily and grow a thin mustache to look more handsome, and always wear his attractive smile. Means after seeing himself in the mirror, he wanted to be more attractive. For that, he decided to have a bit mustache, muche, and he will always wear a smile on his face. Means he will keep his smiling face. He also decided to marry a woman doctor who had a good medical practice and plenty of money. And another decision was that he will marry a woman who is also a doctor and had practiced a medical field in the medical field and have lot of money. Suddenly he heard a dull thud. He saw that a fat snake had wriggled over the back of the chair and landed on his shoulder. After some time, while he was thinking about these things, he heard a noise, and he saw that a big fat snake came back over his chair, and now he had came on his shoulder. The snake had snuggled around his shoulder and coiled around his left arm above the elbow. And now as the snake crawled on the writer, it rolled on towards his left arm above the elbow. जैसे snake roll कर लेता है ना, उसी तरीके से he has rolled above his shoulder, means this part he has rolled up. Its hood was spread out and was hardly 3 or 4 inches away from his face. Means the hood means the beginning part of the snake, the mouth part. It was hardly close to his face. The doctor froze with fear. Means out of fear वो एकदम still हो गया because of fear. Suddenly the snake looked into the mirror and saw its reflection. Again the snake also saw his image in the mirror, and it slowly settled into the doctor's lap and then moved towards the mirror. Now here again the snake crawled towards its lap and then towards the mirror, as if captivated by its own image. Means अपनी ही image में वो फंस गया था, कह सकते, या he was thinking that there is another snake. While the snake continued to admire itself in the mirror, the doctor fled the room. Means while the snake was seeing himself in the mirror, the writer has moved away from the room. The next morning the doctor went back home to find his room blanched and only his dirty vest left behind by the thief. Now here the theft has taken place in the room, and it appears as if that all the things are messed up. The snake never came back to the doctor's house. The doctor believed that it was too taken in by its own beauty. Now here as the doctor, after seeing his reflection on the mirror, he saw that he is handsome, he is attractive. So he also thought this, that when the snake saw himself in front of the mirror, maybe he must have been taken up by its beauty. Now we will see the significant stages. The first, the doctor gets back to his room and ignores the noise from above. The doctor has merged earnings and seems to be living in a cheap one-room house that is infested with rats. He assumes that the noise is being made by the rats. Now here the doctor is living in a room which is not very costly one, and there are rats. So when he came back, he heard the noise, so he thought that it is the noise of rats. Second point, the doctor admires himself in the mirror. Unable to sleep in the heat, the doctor sits in front at the table with a book. Instead of studying, however, he begins combing his hair and starts admiring his smile and planning about the kind of a woman he would marry. Now, as it was very hot, he was unable to sleep, so he decided to read a book. And while he was reading the book, he saw a mirror in front of him on the table, and he started admiring himself, how he looks, and he decided to get married to a woman. Third, a snake lands on the ground and moves to his shoulder. Suddenly there is a thud as a snake falls to the ground. Means ऊपर से सांप गिरा, धम से आवाज आई. Okay, and by the time doctor turns to take a look, the snake was on his shoulders. Fourth point, the snake is distracted by its reflection in the mirror. Means the doctor's left arm is hurting now, but he can't do anything because any movement could make the snake bite him. Yes, ठीक है. So he was out of fear, so he didn't move. But as soon as the snake saw his reflection on the mirror, he gradually crawled towards his lap and then towards the mirror. The doctor manages to escape, but is in for a surprise when he returns the next morning. The snake is busy looking at itself in the mirror, which gives the doctor a chance to escape to his friend's place. ठीक है, as soon as the snake left the writer, he escaped from that place. He stays away the whole night and finds the next morning that all the things except a dirty waste has been stolen. Means because out of fear he ran like that only, he didn't lock the room, and the next day morning when he came, he saw that everything is taken away except his waste, dirty waste. The snake is never seen. Now we'll see the character, and the main character is the doctor himself. The homeopath doctor is a good storyteller. Through his narration of an encounter with a snake to an audience of eager listeners, he humorized described the kind of a person he was, a young man. Now here, the doctor has been described as a young man who is unmarried and staying alone in the house. The doctor narrates how he had taken a small rented room when he started his medical practice. His earnings were merged, and as the house was not electrified, means the electricity was not in that room, so because he was, maybe he must not be earning too much to get a good one, so he had to make do with a kerosene lamp. He has to lighten up with a kerosene. It describes how one hot summer night he took out his medical book to study and got distracted by his reflection in the mirror. Now he is telling one night what has taken place, what has happened. Being an admirer of beauty and wishing to look handsome, he combed his hair and adjusted the parting. Means while he was watching in the mirror, he adjusted his hair. He took a close look at himself in the mirror and made an important decision. After looking in close into the mirror, then he makes decisions. He would shave daily and grow a thin mustache to look more attractive. For after all, he was unmarried and a doctor. Okay? He would always keep a smile on his face, making another earth-shaking decision. He would always keep the attractive smile on his face. The doctor is full of self-love and self-importance. Now here we see that while he was looking into the mirror, he was making decisions for himself to look better. His wish to marry a doctor who had plenty of money and a good medical practice shows that he considers material well-being an important aspect of his future life. Means he didn't want a woman, a wife, a good one, but he wanted a plenty of money. The woman should be a doctor so that she should have plenty of money. The doctor then narrates how he heard a thud and then saw a snake along moving his shoulder. The snake coiled around his left arm and spread out its hood. Its head was just few inches from his face. Means here while he was looking into the mirror, he saw a snake on his shoulder which was very close to his face. His hood was very close to him. He was close to death. Means out of fear he felt that now he is going to die because the snake will bite him. There were no medicines in the room in case he has bitten. At this moment he realizes what he really was, a poor foolish doctor. While the snake was there on his shoulder and he was thinking that now the snake will bite me and I will be no more. So here it describes that he is a poor and foolish doctor. With this self-realization, he forgot his danger and smiled feebly to himself. The snake turned its head and looked at the mirror. Then it unwound itself from his arm and crept onto the table. Means without biting the doctor, the snake moved towards the mirror, perhaps to have a closer look at his reflection. Seeing an opportunity to escape, the doctor fled. Okay, after when the snake was moved away from the doctor's shoulders, he quickly moved away. I hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you. Please do like and subscribe my channel, Mahi English Classes.